Hey, what's up, people? Y'all already know this your boy Set. I'm just here, like, chilling, browsing the World Wide Web, and I recently come across this video which I have not clicked on yet, but like everybody's been talking about it. It's called One Guy, One Screwdriver, and I just want to see what the hell it is that everybody making so much hype about this. One guy, one screwdriver. I already seen One Guy, One Cup. That was some nasty stuff. Y'all people want the website to it? Okay, I'll give it to you. It's www.IAINTELLINGYOU.com, which means y'all dumbass gonna have to find it on your own, and you take that risk and you start yourself for that. I would care less. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to watch this video, and I'm gonna just put it right here. See, put that right there. Alright. I'm about to watch it, so you already know Jose's reaction to One Guy, One Screwdriver. Let's get it poppin'.
Yo! Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? You need help! You are sick! Dude, no! ¿Qué te fue dando? Ay, Dios mío, qué cosa más grande, coño. I know. You are what? Ay, Dios mío. You are sick. Oh, I got the bathtub. Yeah. What the hell is this? Oh, wow. What the hell?
No pun intended, but what in the blue hell was that screwy stuff? I don't know if the guy was like either trying to get erotic from that video or have some sexual issues that he needs to work out with. But you know what, nigga? You know what you need? You need help. You need help. Go see a shrink or something. Cause that's, I swear to God, I'm gonna tell y'all people right now, if that is the same nigga that I saw in One Guy, One Cup, you need help. You need fucking help, I swear to God. I don't know what he was trying to get erotic with that. I don't know. But, no. Dude, you don't do that to your own penis. What that's called is you don't want to have kids. This guy was doing it with a screwdriver to his own penis. That's just called you don't want to have a future. You just want to be a woman, which is not bad, you know. I don't know. I'm not trying to be prejudiced or whatever you might think of it, but like, yeah, that was just wrong. That was just wrong, man. That was just wrong in so many ways. Yo, mira, oye lo que te voy a decir. Esta maldita video ya, quítalo de internet como lo de Two Girls in One Cup. Yeah, esa maldita vaina ya me tiene. ¿Qué vaina es, coño? Ay, Dios mío. I don't know. I straight up don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the hell this crap is, man. Well, you already know. Well, let me tell you something. This is some crazy stuff, man. Yatu Salad. Yatu Salad. Bishop Boy says signing out from the YouTube world. So like, yeah, this is going up on YouTube definitely because like, I mean, this is, yo, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, if y'all want this, if y'all want the video to, if y'all want the video to One Guy One Screwdriver, once again, that's www.itellingyounigga.com. So you guys can just like screw around and just find it yourselves, and then you post up your own damn video.